Good morning. We're working on Steven's 65 Firebird. Wow. Yeah, Thunderbird.
This is a Pontiac Firebird right here.
Yeah. We're doing shoes, shocks. Did you get anything done over there yet?
I looked at it.
Bobby said he's going to get turned up.
Whoa!
Why are we late?
Yeah, drums are getting turned, so we'll be getting on that. Is that why you have no brakes?
That's hitting.
Well, that too, but no, we disconnected. Shut up, Bobby. We disconnected.
Let's go look at the other side.
We pulled the backing plates all the way off when we did axle.
When you did asshole? I mean,
When we did assholes.
Later.
Are you just trying to be included?
something like that. Ready? All right. Well, we'll get you guys an update here in a little bit. What are you doing?
Are you comfortable there?
What are you doing?
I just need to keep a kind of load on it.
Okay, is that all you want there?
Yeah.
So I'm working on this side. I think Xander's all done on your side.
Yeah, I'm all done.
Should I videotape it?
No.
No? Okay. No. No. It's a group decision, and you weren't part of it.
It's an easy conversation. See myself out.
Pretty much.
No, except you won't fit through the door on the way out.
You want to flip one of those over, Ryan? We sent these out to get resurfaced. Looking pretty.
Nice.
Looking pretty. Nice. Oops. Breaking stuff.
Needs to be adjusted still, but
Yeah. Well, once you grab the drum, you can kind of go from there. Stop petting my stomach. Anyways. So, yeah, I'm going to finish up my side. And
where's Jared's leg when you need it?
I don't know. Get the F out. Anyways. Alright, well, we'll see when we're done, I guess. Where'd Xander go?
I don't know, but I heard some weird noises coming out of the trunk. Should I open it up?
Nah, it's fine.
Just leave him in there.
Is he in there?
Yeah.
Oh, is he gonna be like a Jack in the Box when you like open it? Is he gonna go bing?
I'm not gonna open it.
Oh, okay.
So he can do shit. Good thing he has pictures of his girlfriend in there.
Good news is we could actually like put it back together and have Steven and Barry take it home and they get a present when it gets home. Be like, boys, you get a free Xander with purchase.
I'm looking for the shock.
Xander's putting new shock in. Nice. Where's that old one? You compressed it and it like stays compressed. Or almost compressed. Yeah, that's not how it's supposed to be. The bushings ain't bad. And you know what? That's actually going up a little bit. That's better than most of the things that are 18. Wait, what? I didn't mean it that way. But you know what I
They
mean.
go down now.
Oh! Especially the one Scotty calls them. Wait, what?
Oh, no.
Don't.
Just down.
All right, so Xander's getting a little bit of red rubber grease on. He's got it lubed up. He's putting the shock in, and away we go. That's all good. Xander's putting the So Fresh, So Clean drums on. It's gonna adjust those. New shock. You can see it. Yeah, put your pants up. Don't forget to put those back. Ooh, this side's done too.
Thanks, Bernsey.
Yeah. Thanks a lot, Bernsey.
Hey, stop.
You stop.
Fucking spinning it.
Hey, my hand was there.
Put it back.
All right, Brian, slip on that drum, big boy.
That sounds pretty adjusted to me.
Shock on. Hey, Xander, don't forget to fix this real quick,
Slip it on.
please, and thank you. Love you long
Do you have
time.
a coupling? Because that rubber hose goes all the way into the body.
It doesn't go right here. There's a titty right there.
No, there's not.
Oh.
There's a
You love
guy.
titties?
That's why I didn't do it before.
Oh.
I asked you for a coupling.
Oh. You could probably just take that off and pull it down because it's got enough. It's fine. All right, do it. Brian, are you slipping it in?
I'm gonna slip it in, Bob.
All right, then Xander's gonna adjust it.
Yeah.
You're not on all the way.
Huh?
I don't think you're on all the way.
Should I get in the car?
Or you can see it right there.
Ooh, bleeding fronts. Rears are all done.
That one's wrong.
Nice.
Oh,
Wow. So it's
just
just
bleeder on this side because that one was seized and I stripped it.
lovely. So we got all that, huh? We're good
Yeah.
to go.
Flushed
You're just gonna put the splash shield in and that's it.
I flushed a majority of the brake fluid out.
Sup, man?
But yeah.
All right, cool. Awesome, awesome.
Check brake fluid and do each wheel one time because I had the bleeder out for a while.
Gotcha. And then do the splash shield. Ow! I'm trying to be.